Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify Fave icon not showing up in Google search. So first, of course, you may want to head over to your Shopify admin page at admin.shopify.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Online Store. Then in the Themes page, beside your current theme, click on Customize, and from the editor page, click on Theme Settings, then click on Logo and Fave Icon. Make sure that you upload your Fave icon in this section. Then, of course, click on Save. Then, once again, click on Online Store. Then, click on View Your Store. And from your store page, right click, then click on View Page Source. So from this page, you should be able to see a code, and at the top corner of the code, just look for image or PNG, and the link below it, just click on the link, and you should see the same icon or fave icon that you uploaded at the editor page. Google can take days or weeks to update, so be patient. Once indexed, your Fave icon should appear in search results next to your site's name. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!